Well, it's the aftermath of the Blizzard of 2010, and as you can see, I'm trying to dig out of here, but it's been pretty wild. No power, and doesn't look like we're gonna get power anytime soon. It's down the road here. There's a fire truck. It's kind of stuck trying to get in here and I guess take care of somebody, but that's not. Doesn't look like it's going to happen anytime soon. They're trying to dig out. As you can see, the snow here is about approximately 3 feet. They predicted 12 to 24, but I'm easily calculating about 36 inches of snow we got here in the neighborhood. And let's see if we can kind of pan around here so you can see. Yeah, it's pretty wild. The sun's out finally. Hopefully we'll get some relief here with power coming back today. We'll see. It's pretty chilly inside. No heat. No power, can't cook, so just gotta hang in there. Taking a break right now, and then I'm gonna get back to digging some more. At the very least, trying to get the car so that it's get all the snow off the car, and then maybe tomorrow, depending on how the weather is, and work a path out to the road here so we can have some easy way to get out. I doubt they're going to be able to do any plowing anytime soon here, probably Monday at the very earliest. But at least we'll have a lot of the work done. All we have to do is just make a path to the road here. So, okay, well, that's about it. I'll update till later. Bye. It was day 2. Able to get a lot done today as far as digging out the storm. I was able to get the driveway done, most of it at least. So there's a lot of work done today. If we go into the street here, we could probably see a little bit more. As you can see, no plows came through. This is all done by neighbors. We basically just dug and dug and dug and dug, you know. Spent about 3 or 4 hours doing this. At least it gives us enough chance to get cars out of the area if we need to move. I'll pan around here, I can show you. Well, it's pretty wild. Yeah, it was pretty rough storm. Anyway, this is what the neighborhood looks like right now. Anyway, bracing for another night without power. So far, no power. And another storm coming on Tuesday. And today is February 7th, 2010. And it's been a rough 2 days.